We provide Pearson and SAM modules, SIMNet projects, including capstone projects, Shelley Cashman series, and McGraw-Hill projects. We also help with MyMathLab courses, covering mathematics, statistics, accounting, and finance, along with other academic subjects. Make a deal for complete course in very reasonable price, and also please subscribe my channel. Thank you.
In the name of Allah, the most gracious and the most merciful. Hello everybody, I'm Mr. Malik and you're watching me on my YouTube channel. In today's video, we will discuss our next assignment that is related to chapter 3 of ML2. So we have to click on enable editing, then change its size so it must be visible to everyone. So in today's video, we will discuss Exp22 Word Chapter 3 ML2 BMI. We just increase the size, then change its color. Okay. Here is our project description. So we have to increase the size and change its color. So in today's video, we will discuss Exp22 Word Chapter 3 ML2 at BMI. We will solve and we will discuss this assignment step by step. But before going to solve this assignment, let me move toward graded part. And there, how many questions we have? Just we have to only up whole assignment. So we have just 13 questions in graded part. Or last one, 13 is a not graded one, in which we have to save, close, and submit the file. So we have just 12 questions in graded part. So let me start today assignment. Step by step we will solve. You may follow me and you will get 100% marks. So as usual, we start from project description, then we will move toward graded part. So as a nursing student, you are completing a capstone course that require focused study and classes report on various health topics. Your task is putting together an overall summary of how body mass index BMI relate to overall health, including how it is determined. You will use a word, especially word tables, to organize that information it is doing. You will ensure that the summary and tables are attractive and well constructed with appropriate formatting and formulas where necessary. So that was just simply project description. Or remember that always read project description. So that will help you that what we have in today project in graded part and how we have to solve that one. So after reading a description and getting ideas, now we are moving toward graded part. Steps to perform, and here is instructions. Start a word, then a download and open the file name that we have already downloaded from Pearson platform. So first we have to open our solution file. It is just getting opening. Once it opens, then we will start working. Okay. Now moving toward question number 2 after opening the file. Select all the text on page 2 and convert it into table with 18 columns, 18 rows. Okay, so we have to move toward page 2. Okay, here. So first we have to select all the data. Okay, after selecting all the data, that must be 18 row and 18 column. We have to convert that data into table. Okay, yes. Now simply press OK, so that will be converted into table. Yes. Then insert a row. Now we have to insert a row at the top of the table and type following Okay, we have to type this one in that row, so we have to move toward the top of the table here. So here we have to insert two rows at the top of the table and type the following. So we have to insert two rows. Insert a row to above, yes, top. Then again insert a row above. Okay. Now we have insert two rows. Then type following in a top row. Now we have to type this one is a top row, so we just copy this one from there and come on here in top row that is already selected. Paste that one here. Okay. Then so question number 2 is done and we have earned 12 marks from there. In question number 2, we have to select all the text on page 2 and convert it into tables with 18 columns and 18 row. Insert two rows at the top of the table and type following top row. We have done that one, so question number 2 is done. Now moving toward question number 3. Adjust the width of first column to 0 point each. Here is our first column. So here is our first column. Okay. Okay, so we are just moving toward question number 3. Adjust the width of first column to 0 point each. So we have to select the first column. Okay. Then we have to adjust its width to 0 0.8. So we have to increase that. Okay. Then merge the columns 2 to 18 and add text second row as follows. So now we have to merge column 2 to 18. We have to merge 2 to 18. Merge. Then press shift enter after. Okay, now we have to copy this one. We just copy this one from here and paste that here. Okay. And then we have to copy this one and paste that here. So question number 3 is done and we have earned 9 marks from there. So in question number 3 we have to adjust the width of first column to 0 0.8, then merge 2 to 18 and add text to the second row as follows. Press shift enter after typing height so that text wrap in a cell in the cell. Okay. So question number 3 is done and we have earned 9 marks from there. Now moving toward question number 4. Select the table, then choose pan color of blue gray text to lighter 40% and apply selection to all borders. Okay, so we have to, from here we have to choose a table design and here's pan color. So what pan color we have to apply? We have to apply pan color blue gray text to. Blue gray text to, so we have to find that one. Yes, this one. Then we have to apply that to all border. Okay. Is there any condition more? Yes, apply selection to all border. Okay, we have to apply that to all borders. So for this, first we have to select all the tables. It is just going to, we have to select all the tables, and then we have to apply all borders, and there we have to apply this one. Okay, so now you may see that is done on all border. Okay, so question number 4, half part is done, and now we are moving toward next part of question number 4. So then we have to shade the first two rows with blue gray text to lighter 60%. Now we have to shade first two rows. We have to select first two rows and then shade color. And what shade color we have to apply? We have to apply blue gray text to lighter 80%. Blue gray text to blue gray, we have to find blue gray text to lighter 60%. Yes. Then change the font color of first two rows to blue gray text to. Now we have to change the first two rows font color blue gray text to. So where is font color? Here is blue gray text to. Yes. Then shading the remaining rows with blue gray text to lighter 80%. Now we have to shade all other, so select all other rows. Okay, and there is a shading option. Where is a shading option? And we have to apply blue gray text to lighter 80%. Yes, this one. So question number 4 is done, and we have earned 12 marks from there. So in question number 4, we have to select the table, then choose a pen color of blue gray text to lighter 40%, and we have to apply the selection to all border. Then shade the first two rows with blue gray text to lighter 60%. Then change the font color in the first two rows to blue gray text to shade remaining rows with blue gray text to lighter 80%. And we have earned 12 marks from there. Now moving toward question number 5. Select the first two rows and apply a single line, this one with pen color black text 1. Black text 1. First we have to select the first two rows. Okay, after selecting first two rows we have to apply, what color we have to apply? We have to apply a single line 1 point border with, so border style a single line, this one. And then black text 1 and 2 outside border. Yes, we have done, and we got this result. Okay, we have to apply that outside border, this one. Okay, so question number 5 is done, and we have earned a 7 marks from there. So in question number 5, what we have done, we just simply we just simply select first two rows and apply a single line 1 point border with a pen color of black text 1 to outside border. So question number 5 is done, and now we are moving toward question number 6. So in question number 6 we have to insert a row between row 63 to 65 in height column, then type following a new row. So we have to in that data to that row, and we will learn 7 marks from there. Then in question number 8, we have to place the insertion point at the end of the document and insert table 3, insert a table with column 3 and a row 2. Type following in first row. Okay, so we have to type this one in that row, and we will earn 8 marks from there. So same way we will solve other parts also. So you may see we have just 13 questions. Out of 13 questions we have done first 7 question. Almost half of assignment is done from my side in today's video. Remember, in today's video we have done Exp22 Word Chapter 3 ML2 BMI. Instead we just discussed project description. Then we move toward graded part and we have solved question number 1. Then we have solved question number 2, where we have to select all the text on page 2 and convert that into table with 18 columns, 18 rows. Insert 2 rows at the top of the table and type following in that top row. Okay, we have in that one, and we earn 12 marks from there. Then in question number 3, we have to adjust the width of first column to 0.8, merge column 2 to 18 and add text to second row as follows. Okay, and we have in that, and we got 9 marks from there. Then in question number 4, we have to select the table, then choose pen color of blue gray text to lighter 40% and apply the selection to all borders. Shade the first 2 rows with blue gray text to lighter 60%. Then change the font color in first 2 rows to blue gray text to shade remaining rows with blue gray text to lighter 80% and on 12 marks from there. Then we solve question number 5, 6 and 7. So almost half of assignment is done from my side in today's video. But if you need complete a solution for this file, for that you have to contact me on my given WhatsApp number, email ID, Instagram ID. All links are available in video description as well as there in bottom of this video. You may see here is my WhatsApp number and here is my email ID. So you may contact me. I'm available. I will solve, and you will get 100% marks in next 30 minutes with a reasonable price. You may also contact me for full course deal. Our deal will be reasonable in price and your marks will be 100%. Remember that I am also expert of other courses, just like if you need help regarding mathematics, stats, accounts, English writing, English literature writing, in a programming language, just like if you need help regarding C++, Java, Linux, and other projects, just like if you need help regarding Tableau, Power BI. So I'm expert of all those subject, all those projects. So if you need any help regarding your academic, you may simply contact me. I'm available. I will solve, and you will get 100% marks in next 30 minutes with a reasonable price. So in today's video, we have discussed Exp22 Word Chapter 3 ML2 BMI. We will meet soon with our next assignment. So for that, you have to subscribe my channel so you can get every latest video from my site. Take care. Bye bye. Best of luck for your future.